Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Our project title is Charity Endowment Provisioning System. Now we can see the abstract of our project. So the endowment provision system using AI provides the new way to transfer the money from the organization to charities. So in our system we are going to use the lattice algorithm. Lattice algorithm is nothing but mathematical formulations for transferring the funds between organizations. So to transfer the money to the charities. So here the organization and the charities will first register into the system. The charities are added by the admins and the organizations are registered separately and wait for the approval for the admins. So once they approved, they can able to transfer the funds to the charities. So the admin can able to revoke any organizations and charity at any time when they find if they are misusing the system. So this is the abstract of our project. Now we can see the flow diagram of our project. So here there are two main things, that is organization and admin. So admin is logging into the system and going to add charities or request for fund, accept the organization, view charity and organization. So organization will register into the system and accept for request of the admins to be provided. That is, when they are registered they should wait to be accepted. So once they accepted, they can able to log in into the system and they can able to see the status of their system. So after the successful login of the organization and after the successful creation of the charities, they can able to transfer the money, so using this module. So this is the overall process of our project. Now we are going to see the running process of charity management system. So I'm just going to run the process. So here it is the main homepage of the admin. So entering to the system, here the username is admin, password admin 123, 1234 is the security key. Okay, so here the admin can able to add the charities list. So he can able to provide the organization rights, he can able to view the charities and view the fund organization details. So first admin is going to add the charities. So he is going to add charity details. Okay. So legal name of the charity, Penguin Trust. So the account number is provided because for the bank details, here we are going to give the account number. So fund type, here we can select which fund it is given. So either you need foods or money. We are going to select which fund we need, the charity needs. So here money is needed. So how much fund they needed, given 5,000 rupees. So number of members in the charity, that particular organization, 10 children, 5 men and 5 women. So total members automatically calculated. Address given, state. So now just add the charity. Okay, so now the charity is ordered. So we can able to view the charities, view charity details. So here there are only 2 charities still now. So we can able to revoke the charity by clicking here. So if we give revoke charity, then it is revoked. So we fund organization details, that is organization details can be seen here. Money. So the money are provided by this organization medical and materials are given by provided by some of the list of organizations. So here the organization details can also be added. So to run this, just click Endowment Organization, right click on it, debug, start new instance. So enter it. So now just register for new company registration, browse any company logos. So I am going to select desert. You can able to select the company establishment dates, location, email, select fund type, that is what type of funds they are going to provide. So money, transaction type, so fund, how much fund they are going to provide, 10,000 say. Give the pin here, bank name, bank address. So suppose if it is any clothes or medical, you want to choose the transaction type as shipping. Now just register here. Okay. So after registration, again want to go to the endowment information, right click on it, start new instance, login as admin. Now organization rights provide. So select the organization. So now we can see tar. So I have selected here. Now just approve it. Okay, approve is successful. View charities. Sorry. View fund organization details. So here the admin can able to see the company website's name, username, password, company ID, 1, 2, 3. Okay, status is approved. You can able to see here. So now the company is going to log in here. Company ID is star 23 star password. So login successful. So here the company can able to see the details. If it is accepted only, status is approved only, they can able to see this detail. So this is the company organization provides. So now we are going to transfer the fund. So after the charity is added, fund is going to be transferred. That now we are going to transfer the fund. So I am going to select the fund. So I am going to select the organization. Here I have selected tar and the penguin. So I am going to transfer here. So amount credited in the charity. So amount debited from the organization. Okay. So now just close it and refresh it. So now you can see here the fund is 0. Here it will be updated. So this is the overall running process of this project. So this is the overall running process. Thank you for watching it.